Okay, you guys ready? Okay, that's not being ready.
Is it weird shadow or no?
Hey guys, welcome back to Nelly Knows, and today I'm with my family in the cold backyard of December, and we're going to be playing red light, green light. Woohoo! But there's a little bit of a catch, okay? So usually during red light, green light, everyone's coming toward me and just trying to get to the end. But this time they're trying to get to this pile of presents to get a present. Okay. Yes. But that also means that on the way they can get stopped and they get sent back. But if they have a present, they have to get back to the end with the same rules as red light, green light. And if they get caught with the present, they have to drop it right in that spot, and everyone can go and get it.
Wait.
But once you have a present, you have to take it all the way back there to where you start. So everyone run over to the start and go, 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 go. And I just get to stay here and freeze because it's December and it's cold.
Oh.
Green light, go, 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 red light! Canyon instead. Canyon, ready? I'm actually gonna turn around. It's gonna make it more fun. Green light, red light! Long and out. Okay, ready?
Oh, come on.
Green light! Red light!
Don't move, she can still get you.
Red light. I said red light. Do I know my colors? Green light. Red light.
Move.
I want to say the colors. I'm letting you have this one.
You're so close.
Ready?
Oh.
You're so close! Okay, ready? Green light! Red light! As! As! No, you're so close! Green! Red! That wasn't even moved.
Oh.
Silver Canyon. Green! Red! Canyon and dead!
Dang it!
Oh. That's so close.
They're gonna beat me up after this. Lizzie, she's got her snake earrings in like Hunger Games right now. Green light! Red light! Canyon! Green. Red! Dad!
Dang it!
Oh.
Red light!
I need something to bring the presents back in. She heard my wheels, but I was still not last.
Green light! Red light! Ass!
Oh.
Ah! Right there!
I was gonna fall.
You were so close, dude! Green! Red light! Oh, Dad!
Come on, are you serious?
I didn't see you move! No, Dad, I didn't see you move! I was trying to scare you! I didn't Green! Red light!
You're so close.
Red! I saw a lot of movement, but I don't know who it came from.
Ty, you moved your
If I get my present, I can just go back. I don't have to go all the way up, right? Okay.
Red! Ah!
Stop it!
Okay, ready?
You need a pickup truck.
Green!
Yeah, I got a present!
Oh, you won?
I know!
Oh. But you're the first to have a present now. All three of these guys have presents. Oh.
I was over the line!
I know.
That was
This
the
one's
book.
mine!
Green! Red light! Ads, I didn't see you that time.
I passed
You
the
got
line!
it.
Green light! Red light!
Oh, you're so close.
I am so close.
You're-
Over the edge, just you two. Can you do a present over the edge?
Yeah, Canyon just barely got one.
Good job, dude. Okay, ready? Green!
Oh, yes!
Oh.
Look at this.
I think the truck helped.
There's the end zone right there. So my tactics here are truck. It's a distraction, right?
Oh,
So
the truck worked.
yeah, it's all about the movements of like leg over and over instead of running forward.
Oh, Dad, you got a present? Woo! Whoever has the most presents at the end wins.
So close. I'm
You're
so
the last
close.
one that needs a present.
Green light. Go back, Canyon. Set. Yellow light. Green.
Oh, you made it.
Ooh, I got a present.
Green.
You were so close.
Dang!
Green. Red. Green. Red.
I got my knuckles.
Red. We gotta just gotta expect that at this point now. Green. Red. It's like the weeping angels. Yeah. Green. Red. Scrunching the stop every time.
Oh.
Red. Whatever this color is. Red. Go on the green. Red. Are you jousting? Or what? You look like you're in a fencing position.
If I don't have my arms out, they don't move.
Green. Red. Oh, Lizzie.
Oh no,
Lizzie?
no, no. Are you serious? Did
No.
you move?
Green. Red. We should just all go fast. Go past the president. Green. Red.
Oh. 3 people are pretty close.
Red. I didn't even turn around. How am I supposed to see? Red. You're like side up. Red. Red. Okay. Oh, Ken, you got up here quick, dude. I can't even see you. That's a good tactic. Okay, great. Red. I did turn around again. Okay. Green. Red. As we're in Lizzie. She came and like pushed me, and I'm glad she didn't make me move. Okay, hold on. We have a dilemma.
Uh-oh.
Ty, look at me. We have a dilemma. Okay. I'm gonna say, Mom and Dad have presents, right? Here's the thing though, but do I want to just let you have the opportunity to try to steal it out of their hands? But you give that, so you could try stealing it out of their hands or sabotaging them. I'm gonna give you that. It's time for the dirty round. It's time for the. Right, go! Green. Red. Green. Red. Canyon.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Green.
Because they're both pretty close to it.
Red. Canyon.
That was close. Careful.
Wait, we can steal stuff out of people's hands, right?
You can, but if you get caught moving, then you have to go on the back.
Savannah pushed me! Yes, wrong! Kenny, that's you too! Green light! Red light!
Really? Charlie's like, I'm done. I'm done with you guys. Dang it!
So Mom and Az are still trying to get back to their spot, right? I'm taking this last present from the starting line right here, and I'm taking it back to the front. Okay, so this leaves Mom and Az still have to get back to their spot before they drop the presents, right? Or someone could steal it. Or you could come get this one, and I'm gonna make this one just because we're gonna say whoever has the most presents at the end wins. This one is worth 3 presents. Let's do this, okay? Az and my mom are almost back. I wonder if we can try to catch them before they get back there.
Maybe.
Oh. Oh!
Oh, my toes really hurt.
You guys bunched up.
Yes!
Oh, man!
Did you make it?
I have 2 now!
I was so close that I was like,
I don't know.
She moved and Danielle did not see her.
It was Dad that you saw. Dad was the one who you saw. Dad moved.
Oh no. Oh, look how close that is too. Oh.
Green light! Red light! Are you sitting on Lizzie now? Green light! Red light! Green light! Red light! Mom! I saw your foot! My foot didn't move. You saw the song!
Oh.
Green light! Red light! Savannah!
Oh.
You're doing pretty good, dude. Green light! Red light! Canyon! No!
You had it!
Red light! I couldn't even turn it. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh no, that was her head on the ground.
Sarah's playing dirt.
I'm not going, Sarah.
Are you okay? Lizzie, are you okay?
I didn't hear her. I'm just laughing so hard. Throw her.
Are you okay?
I was holding her and I let go and she didn't catch herself.
This is gonna be so dirty.
Oh.
Red light! Savannah!
Oh.
Are you trying anymore? Green light!
He got away so far, I gotta catch up to him. I was scared. I thought I saw red in my glasses.
Green! No, please, no! No!
You got
Every time I come out, I just hear screams. Hey, stop. I saw you move.
Oh!
What is going on? I'm being beat up.
That were you.
Close-up shots of all those.
Oh no. You were fighting for this present. Uh-oh. Oh.
I pushed her though. I mean, kinda.
What is going on?
She's beating me up. It's turned into the Hunger Games.
No, it's not.
No, you're gonna break the bus. Kenny!
Mom and Lizzie move.
She broke the bus.
That was your goal the whole time.
That was my goal the whole time.
You alright?
Oz, if you take that green one, you'll win.
What green one?
At
No!
Oh, you made it! You made it!
Yes, you made it!
Uh-oh.
I'm not turning red anymore.
Water!
the present went in the water.
Hey, you're gonna rip the box up.
It went in the water.
No, I'm not giving it to you! No!
They don't care about what color light is anymore.
Wait, everyone! Go in! I got it too! We all got 2 points!
I wasn't trying
They
to
should
rip
all
it.
go to jail and be disqualified.
I'm gonna say because
You're not turning this into Hunger Games, man!
I'm gonna say because the present got shredded, it is worth nothing. So,
Yeah, that was my bad. Apologies for ripping the box, guys.
I think I already know who you have loose brick here.
I got one.
ADHD. Anyway,
I got 2.
how many points did you get, Canyon?
4.
4 points. So Canyon is the winner, and you know something really special about all of this? Look inside that present. What do you see?
in it.
Now go look inside your presents. Run.
I'll just look at all the presents.
Empty.
Empty! Empty! You just empty!
You all started the Hunger Games for absolutely nothing.
I cannot believe we played this game. What's in yours?
Do you hear that?
Is it a grasshopper?
I don't know. The editor can put it for whatever music they want.
Anyway, that is the end of our red light, green light. I hope you guys like this video because it got kind of violent. So if you don't, it's kind of for nothing. So thank you guys for watching. We love you so much. And as always, it's a great day. Have a great day. And